Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to share with you the reasons why you shouldn't buy the Xiaomi robot vacuum S40, like the cons that you have to be aware of. The primary thing is that it doesn't have a self-emptying smart base station, so that's like another thing. Also, you have like basic mopping function, so you shouldn't like expect like miracles from it. Essentially just drags and then mop behind. There's no cleaning action with rotating mops. Now, that's something you can also have to be aware of. Now, when we are going to dive even further, you don't have any carpet detection. So if you're using, let's say, the mopping function, take note that the Xiaomi S40 doesn't come with a carpet detection, so it will wet your rugs and carpets. Okay? Anti-tangle technology not fully effective. So that's again, and that's like another thing that you will also be aware of. You don't have like camera for small object detection. It doesn't have a camera to detect animal poo or cables, and that's also another thing to be aware of, and manual maintenance are required. So that's, for example, what you need to know. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, what you can actually like expect. But that's pretty much it. So see ya and goodbye.